Oh, I only got one son, and my daughter is almost useless. And I need more children to take care of this big land.
Mama taught me to be a big head.
We are going to give a suggestion to the government about this problem.
She said you don't go hanging out without your cat.
Any questions?
Me.
Yes.
Excuse me, Miss Huang, may I suggest to increase the number of children per family for?
Why?
This is because as only the boys in the family could help the father in the farm, while the girls could only help take care of her sickly mother. Maybe you could provide some subsidy for hire.
But why don't you just hire some workers?
Because we have very low capital and not enough money to hire people.
Okay, we'll consider.
Okay, thank you.
He said, son,